You do not need gloves to caulk a tub, but wearing them makes the job cleaner and protects sensitive skin from sticky silicone and mild irritation. When caulking a tub, start by removing old caulk completely using a caulk remover or a utility scraper, and then clean the joint with isopropyl alcohol, so the new sealant adheres properly. Cut the tip of the caulk tube at a 45-degree angle and make a small opening for better control, and apply steady, even pressure to the caulk gun while moving smoothly along the joint to avoid gaps. After applying the bead, wet your finger or a caulking tool and run it along the seam with light, consistent pressure to compress the caulk into the gap and shape a neat concave finish that sheds water. Use a piece of painter tape on either side of the joint before you apply caulk to keep lines straight. Then remove the tape immediately after tooling while the caulk is still wet. If you are working in a cold environment, warm the tube in hot water for a few minutes to improve flow, and for large jobs, work in short sections and clean excess with a solvent recommended by the sealant manufacturer. Dispose of used rags properly and store partially used tubes according to the manufacturer to prolong shelf life. The three most common concerns are sticky residue on skin, which can be avoided by wearing disposable gloves or by using a barrier cream and cleaning with a recommended solvent right away. Another common issue is poor adhesion caused by dirty or damp surfaces, so ensure the area is fully clean and dry, and consider a primer for difficult substrates like glossy tile. A third problem is uneven beads and gaps, which come from rushing. Take your time, use painter tape for guidance, and practice steady gun pressure on a scrap surface before working on the tub. On bighomeprojects.com, we help homeowners connect with local contractors and share project experiences, so you can read real homeowner tips and ask questions in our discussion community. We also help contractors find new work and showcase their services to interested local clients.